Cash receipt journal is used to record cash or check received, and the source document are the receipt and cash register summary. Three examples in 15.10 are April 23 receipt number 001, details lim, folio account receivable, ledger 1, and then the bank is 150 ringgit, in account receivable also 150 ringgit. On April 25, receipt number 002, the detail is mean, folio is account receivable ledger 2, in bank column 250 ringgit, and similar with account receivable 250 ringgit. And the third example is on April 27 with receipt number 003, the detail is month, and then the folio is account receivable ledger 3, and in bank column 300 equal to 350, and in account receivable column also 350. Total amount for bank is 750, and the total account receivable is 750. On 30th April, the amount of bank will be transferred to a bank account in General Ledger 9. These are the ledgers. For example, 15.10, account receivable 1, lim, account receivable 2, min, account receivable 3 is month, and then in General Ledger 9 is for bank account. In bank account, total receipt will be debited with 750, whereas for account receivable ledger, lim, min, and month, all the check received from account receivable will be credited. In account receivable lim, credit 150 ringgit, account receivable min, credit 250 ringgit, and account receivable month, credit 350 ringgit. For cash payment journal is used to record cash or check paid out. The source document are the payment voucher and check part. These are the three examples in 15.11 to record the cash payment. Cash payment to account payable will be recorded in cash payment journal. The first column is the date, and that followed by the check number, and then the detail, the folio, bank column, and account payable column. The amount paid to Ali is 90 ringgit. The amount paid to Rama is 140 ringgit. And the amount paid to Chan is 280 ringgit. So total amount paid to account payables is 510 ringgit, and this total will be transferred to bank account in General Ledger 9 as at April 30. So in bank account, General Ledger 9, the amount of cash paid or check paid will be recorded in credit side. So it is because the amount of asset or bank account decrease. So a decrease in asset will be credited. And as for account payable ledger, there are three account payable ledger. APL 1 is for account payable Ali, APL 2 is for account payable Rama, and APL 3 is for account payable Chan. All these check paid to account payable will be debited because check paid to account payable will reduce the amount of liability. So liability decrease will be debited. For account payable Ali, debit 90 ringgit. For account payable Rama, debit 140 ringgit. And for account payable Chan, debit 280 ringgit.